Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's write a program using Python where you can find out if a given letter is in uppercase or it is in lowercase. So before that, what do you mean by an uppercase? Of course, any capital letter is in an alphabet is called as an uppercase character. So what about the lowercase? The small letters in the alphabet, small a to small z, are stated as lowercase character. Okay, so now let us find out what is the upper characters in the given characters. So A, K, Y, of course, because those are the capital letters, right, which is uppercase. So what about the lowercase characters G, P? Okay, so now let us write the program in order to identify the uppercase and the lowercase. So it is very easy. So let us take a variable name character is equals to. So now let us take the input from the users. Using input, enter a character. Okay, so enter a character. Now, so if statement, if, now let us check for capitals. Capital A less than or equals to character less than or equal to capital Z. So then what? So then what I wanted to print, character is a uppercase, is an uppercase. So is an uppercase character. Okay, so now what? LF in order to check small alphabets, right? So small a less than or equal to character, so equal to character less than or equal to small z. So then what I wanted to print, if it's a lowercase means small letters, right? So just lower. So if not capital, if not lower, then what? Then I wanted to print is not an alphabet. So what if I give a number? Then also I have to state that it's not an alphabet, right? So it's not an alphabetic character. Okay, so now let's run this program and check. So let me give first S. So it's a lowercase. So let me run again, and now let me give capital M. So it's a uppercase, right? So S is a lowercase, M is an uppercase. So now if I run again and give any number, so let me give a number and enter. So 8 is not an alphabetic character. So that's it guys, this is how you write the program in order to identify if a given alphabet is in uppercase or is in lowercase. So just by using if, elif, else statements, condition statements, and less than or equals to, like for capitals as well as for small letters. Okay, so that's all about the program. For more such programmatic based videos on Python, please do follow us on our YouTube, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also guys, we do have our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. So please go and search for MyGo Minds and do follow for more updates. Thank you so much.